Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing a package Greg Lutzka sent me. Here it is. And first of all, I got a deck. It's a Dark Star 8.2 Lutzka Pro Model deck. Here it is. He also signed the top of it. We got a Blast Action Cam, which I'll be doing in unboxing later on my channel. What else did he send me? Sent me some Rockstar stickers. Seems to be a beanie, Neff and Rockstar. Greatly appreciate it, Lutzka. A little sign paper, and sent me this, and I have no idea what this is. I think it's a poster. Whoa. It's a Greg Lutzka poster. He signed it too. A few more Rockstar stickers. And that's it. Thank you, Greg. I appreciate it all. Thanks for sending us the extra goodies. And can't wait to try this out.